Simple cooking, simple cooking channel.
Now add 600 mils of whipping cream, heavy cream, thickened cream, whatever cream that you can whip will be fine for this. Add a quarter of a cup of sugar. Now give this the full-on Devo experience. Now get 500 grams of mango. We want to puree this. Now add a can of sweetened condensed milk. Now put the mango and sweetened condensed milk mixture straight in. Now for this you can either fold it through or just mix it through with a beater on low. Now just pour it into an airtight container and pop it in the fridge overnight, or probably 6 hours should do.
Simple